Have you seen this funny video of a mailman having a battle of wits with a cat? It has nearly 1 million views.
Kitty cat ready to do battle. Kitty cat, how are you? There you are. Coming down here. Oh! Whoops. He's ready to go. How am I going to get this in here? Get my gloves. Give me my gloves back, you. You're nuts. Here. How am I going to get the mail in there with you fighting it? Take it with you. Oh, here's the letter. Here's the letter. Take the letter with you. Take the letter with you. Boy, he's getting tougher.
It's a day for cats to go viral. These adorable kittens follow their mama all over the room, but watch what happens after mom tries to jump onto the windowsill, fails, and falls with a thud.